A cancer diagnosis is devastating, and there is new hope for patients out there diagnosed with brain tumors, thanks to a very unique treatment facility right here in the Valley. Dr. Lauren Stegman of Phoenix Cyberknife is here now to tell us all about it. Welcome, doctor. We appreciate it.
Oh, thanks for having me.
What kind of brain tumors can be treated at your center?
So we can treat many types of brain tumors, most of them. Brain tumors come in different forms. There are some that actually start in the brain, that arose there, didn't spread there from somewhere else in the body. Some of them are what we call benign tumors that tend not to spread but just grow in place. And others are tumors that are called metastatic, that have spread from other places in the body. And we can treat any of those types.
And what about radiation specifically? What kinds of brain tumors can be treated with radiation?
So everything from those benign tumors to the metastatic ones. So there are certain benign tumors that are difficult to remove surgically, and we can treat them with radiation in 3 to 5 days, and it's just as effective as surgery. Things like meningiomas or acoustic neuromas, and sometimes we can even treat them in a single session, and they will shrink over time and never grow.
A single session?
Yep.
That is truly revolutionary. And when you go through something like this, I talked to a mother just yesterday, right here in the Valley. Her 16-year-old daughter came home with severe headaches, and it ended up being a 4-inch brain tumor. What are the symptoms? What would we experience if we were going through this?
Oh, it's so hard to face those things. It's very scary to know there's something in your brain, you know, a part of that where your personality and your thoughts and everything are. But we are able to treat a lot of those patients and make them feel better. So the things to watch out for with the brain tumor would be headaches, nausea, a seizure, new symptoms of numbness, weakness, or tingling in different places in the body.
And I mean, you're talking about a teenager, so it can go, there's no range. It does not have an age limit, does it?
It doesn't, unfortunately. I see many patients at Phoenix Children's Hospital, and we treat patients there too. So we treat from young children all the way up to elderly people.
And tell us what's so special about Phoenix Cyberknife.
So I think we have an amazing facility. It's a very warm, caring place with the best technology available in the world. We're the only center that has, in the world actually, that has both the Cyberknife and also the TrueBeam STX, which offer the most precise, focused radiation therapy. And when you're talking about a brain tumor, that's really important. And we've really made a lot of effort to assemble a fantastic staff dedicated to caring for not just the patient's tumor, but whole person, and make the experience as easy for people as possible.
Yeah, and so many people have to make this tough decision based on money and insurance. And how do you guys help with that?
So we have many options in that regard. Most insurances will cover radiation therapy for brain tumors. And in situations where that's not possible, we'll work and make appeals and do everything that we can to help people and so that they can get the treatments they need.
And really your effort's about good quality of life.
It is. So, I mean, to be cured but not have a good quality of life is not the outcome we want.
Right.
I mean, we really want people to be able to be themselves, live with a good quality of life for as long as they possibly can.
And so many of you out there have so many questions about this, and coming up in our next segment, you're going to answer some viewer questions. But Phoenix Cyberknife and Radiation Oncology Centers, they join us the first Tuesday of every month answering your concerns, what your fears are. You can email them at info@pcroc.com. They're located at 4611 East Shea Boulevard, that is in Phoenix. You can give them a call at 602-441-3845. Visit them online as well, phoenixcyberknifecenter.com. We appreciate you being with us, and we know you're going to get to our questions in the next segment. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you.